Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your computer period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Beta, open your book. Page number 27. This is our page number 27 beche, and here today inshallah ta'ala we are going to start chapter number 3. Let's learn KTurtle. Write today's date and day over here. Hi Goggle, what's up? Hey Toggle, you know my friend says we can draw using a turtle. Now isn't that funny? A turtle to draw? Oh, your friend must be referring to KTurtle. KTurtle? What's that? Sounds like a game. No, Goggle, KTurtle is a computer language. It is very useful for learning programming. Wow. Okay, so KTurtle is a computer language. KTurtle teaches you how to program in an easy way. You can draw figures, type text, and perform simple math calculations in KTurtle. Just as you use a pencil to draw and write in your notebook, KTurtle uses a turtle for drawing. This turtle can draw only when you give it a command. Now, what is command? A command means an order or an instruction. The turtle carries out the instruction or command typed by you. It means that whatever you will say to it, it will do that. Alright. So, starting KTurtle. To start KTurtle, just click on the KTurtle icon on the desktop. First, you have to download KTurtle from the internet into your computer, and after that, when you are using the starting the KTurtle, you have to click on the KTurtle icon on the desktop. Now move to the next page. So what will happen when you will click on the KTurtle icon? The KTurtle screen will be displayed. Figure 3.1. This is the KTurtle screen becha. Here you can see the 3 divisions, some horizontal lines. So we are going to study it. The KTurtle screen is divided into 3 main parts. See, 1, 2 and 3. First is the editor pane. This is the editor pane. Okay, it is present on the left of the screen where you type the commands. Here we type the commands. It is present on the left hand side. Second is the canvas. This is the main canvas. It is the space in the middle of the screen where the turtle moves to make drawing. Here the turtle will make the drawing. Third, inspector pane. It is present on the right of the screen, which gives you information when your command is carried out. This is the inspector pane. See? Note. The editor and inspector panes can be docked to any of the borders of the main window. They can also be detached and placed anywhere on the desktop. Now this editor pane and this inspector pane, we can dock it. Dock it means that they can be cut from here. They can attach to any other of the border. They can move. Alright. To dock means to attach the panes to any side of the KTurtle window. This can be done by placing the mouse. Now how you can do it? How you can move these two? This can be done by placing the mouse on the title bar of the pane, pressing the left mouse button and then dragging it to one of the sides of the KTurtle's window. Figure 3.2. This is figure 3.2. The editor and inspector panes dragged to another corner. Here see, the editor pane is moved here, the inspector pane come here, and this is our canvas. Besides these, you will find the following on the screen. The other things are also present on the screen of the KTurtle bete. First is the menu bar. It is the bar on which all actions have been listed in menus. Where is the menu bar? This is the menu bar. Okay, the first one, right? The actions are divided into the following groups: File, Edit, Canvas, Run, Tools, Settings and Help. See, here are their division: File, Edit, Canvas, Run, Tools, Settings and Help. The file menu is given in figure 3.3. This is the file, and when you will open it, drag it down, that it will contain this menu. the new, open recent examples, get more examples, save as, export to HTML, print, quit. Okay, this is the file menu on the menu bar. Now the next is toolbar. Where is the toolbar? This is the toolbar, the second line. This bar has buttons for the commonly used actions and allows you to quickly select any one of them. It also has the console text box. Here you can enter a one-line command and press the enter key or click the execute button to run it. Top tip: the console is used to test a command without modifying the contents of the editor pane. Okay, here you can just test it, that if you want to give any command, that how will it run. Okay, this is the console text box. Here is the console text box. One line command you can type over here. This is the execute button. When you want to execute this command, you have to press this execute button. Alright, bete. And the next is status bar. Where is status bar? Can you find a status bar on here, this picture? Yes, this is the status bar at the bottom side. It is present at the bottom of the screen and gives you the state of KTurtle. On the left side, it shows the last action performed. On the right side, it shows the current location of the cursor, line and column number, and the current language being used for the commands. This is the status bar. It tells us the status of the KTurtle, that now what is happening at the moment. Where is the cursor, the line number, the column number, the language which is being used. These all are coming here. This is called the status bar. Okay, beta. So this is complete about the window of the KTurtle, the KTurtle screen. There are three divisions, three main parts. Then this is the canvas, editor pane, this is the inspector pane. These two panes can be moved to any side of the window. This is the menu bar. Second is the toolbar. This is the console text box where we can type one line command. This is the execute button for this, and at the bottom this is the status bar. Okay, becha. So this is the complete KTurtle screen. I hope you understood this topic. This seems very interesting topic. Go through these pages again. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.